Meet the hermit crab. They get their name from human hermits, probably because hermit crabs often hide alone in their shell. These shells hermit crabs live in didn't start out as their own. Hermit crabs aren't born with shells, so they need to find an abandoned shell to occupy for protection. As the crab grows, it is left searching for a new shell, which leaves it vulnerable to predators. This causes consistent competition for the limited number of shells, and sometimes can lead to hermit crab fights. However, hermit crabs native to a tiny Caribbean island called Carrie Bouquet have also been shown to solve this distribution of resources problem peacefully through a relatively complex social structure that is often taught in economics and sociology classes. The structure is called a vacancy chain, and here is how it works. The vacancy chain is initiated when a new resource, which in this case is a very attractive shell, is brought into a system. The shell most likely was kicked up by ocean waves or put there by a researcher interested in the phenomenon. When a hermit crab finds the shell, the crab will engage in rigorous assessment of the shell. If the crab decides the new shell is attractive, it will switch into it on the spot, assuming it's a good fit. However, hermit crabs aren't greedy, and if it's too big for the first crab, the crab will wait by the shell until another crab comes by. If the shell is too big for the second crab, that crab will wait as well. The waiting crabs will attract more crabs, and this will continue to happen until the Goldilocks of crabs comes along, for which the shell is a perfect fit. Once Goldilocks comes along, all the waiting crabs form a line, from biggest to smallest, taking the shell the one before it discarded, so that all the crabs are capable of trading up. Though they may seem to live alone and prefer to hide in their shells, hermit crabs are able to engage in complex social structures, and by engaging in this particular social structure, all the hermit crabs benefit by maximizing the utility of limited resources and trading up their shells. So it turns out that the hermit crab isn't much of a hermit after all.